Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar dropped 0.3% against the yen in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair dropped 0.7% in the last session, after rising as much as 4.5% during the session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil dollar pair skyrocketed 2.1% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Wall Street's main indexes struggled for direction, with a hotter-than-expected inflation print dampening hopes of early rate cuts, while US regulatory approval for exchange-traded funds tracking spot Bitcoin lifted crypto stocks. Bitcoin spot exchange-traded funds were off to a remarkable start, as trading officially began with a total volume of around $1.6 billion just 5 minutes after the opening bell. Global economic growth will remain resilient this year after a stronger-than-expected 2023, the International Monetary Fund said on Thursday, but work is needed to boost global growth rates above an anemic 3% range in the medium term.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's manufacturing production will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's EcoWatchers survey current at 0500 hours GMT. Finland's current account at 0600 hours GMT. The US USDA WASDE report will be released at 1700 hours GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's EcoWatchers survey outlook at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.